Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video I'm talking about BNBPay price, BPay price token. What's the price changes occur in BPay. We predicated BPay token in this video. Then guys, a lot of people message me that please make a video on BNB. So finally I decided to make a video for all of you. Let's start the video, guys. But if you are new in my channel or if you don't subscribe my channel, so guys, please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more update videos about BNB pay code. The right now price of BNB is about 0.01463 USD dollar. That is right now price of BNB. And guys, furthermore, you can see if you're talking about the changes, so positive 10.92% changes occur in the BNB pay, guys. The changes is going very positive in the market. And guys, you know what, why I love BNB? Due to these positive changes. And guys, you can see the price of BNB pay is very low and the changes is positive, guys. So that's why there's been that it is a profitable coin in the market. Just look here, let me show you the more price statistic update of BPay. You can see, oh my god, trading volume is negative, guys. 28.92%, guys. You know what, I think short-term investor decide to sell, that's why the trading volume is going negative. But you can see still, due to this negative trading volume, again the price changes is positive. That's mean that people are taking huge interest in a BNB pay, guys. And I also suggest for all of you, due to his low price, due to his positive changes, that invest in a BNB for long term, guys, for a long time, because it is a low price point. So I just suggest that invest for a long time, guys. Anyways, what's your thing about BNB pay? Also share in the comment box. And guys, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any crypto, any coin, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.